does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. What if I told you that 90% of Forex traders are losing money because of a hidden trap that big banks and brokers use against them? Today, I'm going to expose this dirty secret and show you exactly how to avoid it using a simple but powerful strategy called the TSP method. Stay tuned. And today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics in Forex trading, stop-loss hunting, and how institutional players manipulate the market against retail traders like us. Let me explain what's really happening in the Forex market. When you place a trade, you're not just trading against other retail traders. You're up against massive institutions, big banks, and brokers who have one huge advantage. They can see where most traders are placing their orders. Here's the dirty truth. These big players know exactly where retail traders place their stop losses. And guess what? They use this information to manipulate the market in their favor. This happens across all time frames: monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour charts. But here's where it gets interesting. They push the market just enough to hit these stop losses, then reverse the direction. They know their own institutional traders have positions in certain areas, so they avoid touching those zones. This manipulation is especially brutal on the 1-hour time frame during volatile market conditions. Why? Because this is where most retail traders are active, and volatility creates the perfect storm for stop-loss hunting. Picture this. You see a strong bullish candle forming. You jump in with a buy order, set your stop-loss below recent support, and then bam! The market suddenly reverses, hits your stop-loss, and then continues in your original direction. Sound familiar? You've just been stop-loss hunted. But here's the good news. I'm going to share a strategy that can help you avoid this trap. It's called the TSP method, trailing stop and pullback strategy. This method is specifically designed to work with market volatility instead of against it. Here's how the TSP method works. When you see fast-moving candles, especially during news events or market opening hours, that's your signal. There's a 99% chance the market will pull back. Why? Because retail traders are getting stopped out, and the market needs to absorb these orders. Instead of jumping in immediately, place your pending orders away from the current price action. This keeps you out of the immediate manipulation zone. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real example. We see a strong bullish candle during volatile market conditions. Instead of buying immediately, we place a pending order below the current price. As expected, the market pulls back fast. This is where retail traders get stopped out. Our pending order gets activated during this pullback. Now we trail our stop loss behind the price action. As the market continues in our favor, we collect profits while staying protected. The beauty of this method is that you're entering the market when others are being forced out. You're essentially riding the wave that the institutions create after they've cleared out the retail stops. The TSP method works because it aligns your trading with institutional behavior rather than fighting against it. When big banks clear out retail stops, they create liquidity that they then use to push the market in their intended direction. By placing your orders away from the crowd and using trailing stops, you're avoiding the initial manipulation zone, entering when liquidity is being created, protecting your profits with trailing stops, working with volatility instead of against it. Now, let me be honest with you. Doing the TSP method manually is really hard. You need to constantly monitor the charts, trail pending orders, and adjust stop losses manually. Plus, there are many other factors you need to watch before entering a trade that I can't explain all in this video. That's exactly why I developed my own TSP bot. This automated trading robot handles all the complex calculations and monitoring for you. Let me show you my real results. Here's how I've been earning profits with my TSP bot over the last 6 months. These are my actual trading results. Not demo, not backtesting, but real money, real profits. And this is just the last 6 months. I've actually been using this method for over a year now. And from my experience, I can confidently say, this is the best Forex trading robot I have ever used. The bot handles everything automatically, identifies volatile market conditions, places pending orders at optimal distances, manages trailing, stops in real time, calculates proper position, sizing monitors multiple time frames. Simultaneously, I'll put the bot download link in the description below so you can get access to the same tool I use every day. Look, the Forex market can seem rigged against retail traders, and in many ways, it is. But with the right knowledge and strategies, like the TSP method, you can level the playing field. Remember, the key is to work with institutional behavior, not against it. When their hunting stops, you're positioning yourself to benefit from the liquidity they create. If this video helped you understand market manipulation and how to avoid it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies and market insights. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you ever been stop-loss hunted? What's your experience with volatile market conditions? And remember, trading involves risk. So always practice proper risk management and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced TSP method variations. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep those profits coming.
With a busted phone, now I'm trading big lots in a profit zone. No handouts, no cheat code life, just charts, candles, and late night strife. Woke up broke, but my vision was rich. Learned the grind, flipped the mental switch. No signals needed, I trust my brain. Back tested blood, now I'm built for gain. From zero to pips, I climbed that hill. Didn't pray for luck, I mastered skill. Every drawdown just fueled my flame. Now I run with the bulls, no shame in my game. Clicking MT4, eyes on the prize, risk to reward, yeah, I optimize. I ain't here to flex, I'm here to eat. Turn struggle to strategy, pain to heat. They post fake wins, I post my grind, cause real ones know how to fall and rise. Blew some accounts, but I never quit. Now I sniper the market, pip by pip. From zero to pips, I climbed that hill. Didn't pray for luck, I mastered skill. Every drawdown just fueled my flame. Now I run with the bulls, no shame in my game. Let them doubt, let them talk that mess. They weren't in the room when I had that stress. Charts on the wall, mine like steel. Now every pip feel like a signed deal. So tell them I'm coming, tell them I'm lit. Tell them I built all this bit by bit. From late nights hustling to early flips, I made my future from zero to pips.
Wow. Oh wow. They laughed when I started, said it's just a game. Now I'm piping up profits while they stay the same. Woke up broke, but I chose my fight. Now I box with the market every day and night. Trend line tight, mindset locked. Risk and control, every setup rocked. News drop heavy, I don't flinch, I wait. Patience pays while greed seals fate. I'm a chart warrior fighting for the dream, slaying fear daily on the Forex stream. Every loss a lesson, every win a step. Got my eyes on the goal, not the flex or rep. Used to wish for money, now I strategize, turning hours of grind into dollar signs. Broke that cycle, no 9 to 5. Now I live off the charts, not just survive. They see the wins, never saw the grind. Late night studying candle lines. While they party, I refine my edge. Climbed up slow from the chart's ledge. I'm a chart warrior fighting for the dream, slaying fear daily on the Forex stream. Every loss a lesson, every win a step. Got my eyes on the goal, not the flex or rep. Discipline my armor, knowledge my blade. Even in red, I ain't afraid. Journal my trades, improve my plan. This ain't luck, I'm a self-made man. So light up the screen, let the candles glow. I'm ready for the storm, let the markets flow. I came from the dust, now I'm taking flight. Forex warrior, I fight the good fight. I'm a chart warrior, fighting for the dream, slaying fear daily on the Forex stream. Every win a step. Got my eyes on the goal, not the flex or rep.
Started out with $1 in a broken dream. Now I'm charting up moves on the Forex screen. No sleep, no chill, just price and time. Gotta read that trend like I'm reading a rhyme. Zoom in, zoom out, I'm scaling the zone. Every candle's a story I decode alone. While they snooze, I grind, that's my edge. Flipping red to green from the laptop's ledge. I don't chase gold, I chase good trades.